Hi, this is Made Geek and I'm Dan, and in this video I'm making door frames. I published a video a little while ago about the airing cupboard door that only took me 8 months to build. And the problem with that airing cupboard door, well, one of many problems with that airing cupboard door, is that there was another cupboard in that room that needed doors of the same type. So this video I've tried something a little bit different. I'm not cutting up hundreds and hundreds of pieces of oak. I'm going to try and do this with some softwood and the CNC everything in one go. This is part way through that process, but let's jump now to the beginning of that process. Having completed the exterior frame of the door, now just need to cut a load of lengths to glue together to make the internal panel, and then I can stick the internal panel on the CNC machine to do the main shaping. So let's cut up some lengths. What I need is about 55.3. So stick it on the thing, turn on the laser, set ourselves up at 55.3 and mark the length with an end stop, and we're good to go. Ages ago, I cut the tops off of these cans and filled them with concrete whilst I was doing something else, and now I use them as random shock weights. They work well as end stops. Easy as that.